So a retailer sent you a check through ShelfSpace. Here's exactly how to find it, print it, and get that money into your bank account. When a retailer pays you by check through ShelfSpace, it can reach you one of two ways. Some retailers mail a paper check, and this page tracks that one on its way to you. Others send it digitally, and that check is waiting for you right here in the portal, under Payments. That's the one we're getting into your bank today. Payments has a few tabs, and the one you want depends on how the retailer bought from you. Consignment payments holds your settlement checks, but when a retailer buys wholesale on a purchase order, that check lands under wholesale payments. Here's one now. $1,250 from Holistic Cannabis Co. Notice the status. It says ready to deposit, and that's doing a lot of work. It means the check exists, and it's yours to go get. So you tap Download Check. And this is the step that trips people up, so stay with me. ShelfSpace stops you here on purpose, to say the thing that matters most. This is a real check, not a receipt, not a notification, not a record of something that already happened somewhere else. It's the actual negotiable instrument, and nothing moves until you take it to your bank. Confirm it, and the check opens right here in the portal. Give it a second to render. What comes up first is your remittance summary, the amount, who it's from, what it's for. That's page 1. It's useful, but it is not the part you take to the bank. The check itself is on page 2. And here's the part that catches people. Opening it is not the same as having it. You still need to get it out of the browser. That's what these 2 buttons in the top corner are for. Print is the one you want. Tap it, and the whole check goes to your printer. And plain white paper is completely fine. You don't need special check stock, you don't need magnetic ink, and you don't need to go buy anything. An ordinary sheet from an ordinary printer is a valid check. Download is right next to it, and that's the second tap people miss. It saves the PDF onto your computer, so you can keep a copy for your records or print it somewhere else later. Close it, and ShelfSpace hands you the short version of what's left. Print it, then deposit it. And you deposit it exactly the way you'd deposit any other paper check. Your bank's mobile app works. A check scanner works. Walking it into a branch and handing it to a teller works. And if you'd rather not print anything at all, you can ask the retailer to mail you a paper check instead. That option stays open to you. That's it. The check is with your bank now. ShelfSpace shows it as downloaded, but only your bank confirms when the funds actually land, usually a few business days later.